Each week, we answer frequently asked questions about life during the coronavirus crisis. If you have a question you'd like us to consider for a future post, email us at goatsandsoda@npr.org with the subject line, Weekly Coronavirus Questions. See an archive of our facts here. Is it okay to lie to get a vaccine? Say, if you want a third shot as a booster because you think it could enhance your protection. Or a shot for an 11-year-old who's almost 12? Or if you're a teenager who wants a shot but your parent is opposed? We posed these questions to experts in medical ethics and infectious disease, and their answers were clear for that unauthorized booster or an underage candidate: don't do it. It turns out there are plenty of ethical, medical and practical reasons not to lie. First, the practical. The Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have not okayed additional shots, and lying about a birth date or past vaccination history introduces potential medical problems and billing hassles not only for you but for the medical system, says Nancy Berlinger, a research scholar at the Hastings Center, an independent bioethics research institution in Garrison, New York. At a minimum, getting an unauthorized shot means you may have to figure out how to deal with it in your personal medical records at some point. Getting vaccinated is part of your medical history, you would have to reveal it going forward in the interest of your own health, Berlinger says. It's also unclear who is paying for these unauthorized shots. As Stat has reported, insurance companies have a billing code set for booster shots, but it won't work until the shots are authorized. And it also puts pharmacies and hospitals in the position of playing the truth police. While many have developed policies about boosters, few have the resources to check the accuracy of every single patient's record. Most consent forms ask if you've been vaccinated before. If you say no, you may get away with the lie in the moment, but your insurance company may deny the claim once it realizes you were already fully vaccinated. And the pharmacy or medical facility could be stuck with your bill. Then there are the potential medical repercussions of getting an unauthorized shot, says Dr. Jill Weatherhead, an assistant professor of adult and pediatric infectious diseases at Baylor College of Medicine. The CDC has started tracking unauthorized booster shots, but clinical trials addressing the safety of additional doses are still underway. It's not yet known, for example, whether people will experience more side effects from additional doses, Weatherhead says. Israel, however, is already authorizing third shots for people over 60, and other countries are planning to follow suit. And in the US, San Francisco General Hospital has said it will give mRNA shots to people who got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine initially.